What's great about our DIY option is that you can save up to 50 to 60% in cost by doing the flowers yourself. Aren't these pretty? So it's a great way to save some money, but also have some fun while doing it. We always recommend bringing that group of helpers, and we kind of make it a party. Once you're done with those, you can start on this next bucket. It's the same process where you just strip it of its leaves. On top of that, you get to see exactly what you're putting together and know before the wedding day comes of what everything looks like. For a traditional florist, you typically get the flowers and you see them right before you walk down the aisle. With this experience, you get to actually have the hands-on experience of putting it together, but with that guided support of the coach to show you every step of the way. So I'm going to show you one vase, and then you guys will be able to do the rest, okay? So you're not by yourself. You get that awesome, there you go, guided support that allows you to put everything together.
What about that little dude?
That's okay. You can leave that guy still on.
Okay.
I had a girl, her dad worked at a factory, a local factory here. She had a budget of about $300. This is several years ago. Her dad lost his job. She said, I only have $150 at the time. And the consultant was helping her. I said to the consultant, could you find a way to try and make something happen for $150? We did. And she started crying and she said, thank you very much for helping me. I'll never forget this. And that's what really started me. I was like, oh, we're on to something here.
And you just keep poking these in throughout and weaving them.
The whole thing with them enjoying it and putting it together and having an experience, that was kind of like a byproduct of them really liking it. And the first thing was just to save the money.
We're bonding.
We're bonding.
Yeah, that's our favorite part is bonding.
It is.
Some of the bridal party or the people in the family have not even met each other yet. And they get here and boom, it's the first time they've met. And it does bring them together, creates an experience, a lifetime of memories.
Oh, that one was cute.
I love the thought of that. And that is the biggest comment I get. The comment I get a lot that I love the most is, the greatest part of my wedding was putting the flowers together. I love that.
I like that we kind of can make the bouquets our own. You know, there isn't a specific way how to do it that you can have fun with it.
I'm attempting to make a bridesmaid's bouquet.
You're making girls' dreams come true. I mean, a lot of these girls have thought about their wedding flowers and planned for months and months and months. And to actually come to this day and be able to execute that for them and be able to see that excitement and see the excitement with their bridesmaids and with their moms. Aren't they pretty? It's just an awesome experience, and it's just makes it come full circle.